Zizi, what are you doing? Baby Zara and I are getting ready to bowl outside. Yeah? You want to go bowling outside? We turned our balcony into a baby bowling alley so she can go bowling outside. This is how it looks. I have some water bottles filled with rice. And here is our bowling ball. And as you can see, it is glowing. Yeah, you want to play, baby? Let me put you down. Okay. Zizi, stand up. So here goes nothing. I'm going to bowl first. Yeah, only knocked down nothing. So now, fam, it's baby Zara time to bowl. You ready to bowl, baby? You ready? You ready to go bowl? You ready? Roll the ball, Zizi. Yeah, roll the ball. Not kick it. Roll it. I thought she was about to knock down something. I was about to be mad at you. Like, I did not